one here developed abscess in her foot. It has been treated, so she will be okay. Maybe by the weekend she'll be okay to walk on that foot. A couple of them, because it's the rainy season, so a couple of them they catch grunage. Yes, they catch grunage, so that's why a few of them is happy. Yeah, but it's in the process. I'm just gonna have them, give them spray a little Supermetrics and a little bit of violet spray on them in the grunage, and I have a little bit of wound powder. Didn't want it also. Well, I have to count them before I take them in, because I don't want to leave any in the bush, because you have a lot of stray dogs in the bushes, and I don't want to lose any of the goats. And another thing, guys, since the rain, this river that they have to cross, there is hardly any water in it, so they have to cross. So I'm planning on building a short bridge here, right here. This is the shortest ordinary side, so I'm building a bridge here and then to cross. But this is weird, they have to cross every day since the rainy time. Anytime in the rainy time they have to cross this. So I'm planning on building a bridge to help assist them with their house. Yeah. So this is where they have to cross. So I normally sat over here and count them while they cross the river. So you see? They're about to cross, so you guys can watch. Sometimes when you're in the mood, they stop and drink water. Sometimes they just go straight up. They have their time, because water is also in the pen, so they have options. They're not afraid of the water because they're used to it, so it's not a problem for them to cross. It's not a problem for them to cross. What am I gonna do? I have to cut this video short.